Hi everyone! So you might know or not, but in addition to GAN, I'm going to be sponsored by TheCubicle this year. So yeah, I'm really happy to be a member of this team because it's such a great team with amazing people, so I really feel fortunate for this, and this will probably help me a lot to go to Melbourne for the World this year. So here's the very first package I got from them. It's a big one for me because it's my biggest one actually ever. So yeah, let's take a look. Some t-shirts there, and wow, bunch of Cubicle premium cubes, nice. Alright, so here are some premium cubes they prepared for me. And again, some t-shirts and stuff. Wow, nice. We'll take a look after. And oh yes, nice, cool. Alright, so let's take a look at the cubes now. So I ordered only prepared cube that they custom in their labs. So I have a lot of Angstrom ones and Cubicle ones. So let's start with the Angstrom GAN SM. I will make a review of the cubes afterwards, but now I'm just opening it because it's not the best thing out of the box. But it feels so stable and yet a bit slow, but yeah. Okay, Angstrom GAN X. I have to break in this one. If things go well, should be my main in a few days. Okay. Here we have the 354, no, this is the 354X, no, 354 Cubicle. it's already so fast. At least faster than those two, but you can hear the lube in it. Okay, I will have to break in the cubes now. This is an Angstrom X also. I don't even know. Wow. Another GAN X, Angstrom GAN X, but it's not the same feeling actually. Okay, so I think I will open the big cubes for another upcoming video, and yeah, for now I will try to break in those cubes. So this was my first unboxing with the Cubicle. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, see you next time.